Experience luxury with Insignia's Eco Showers. Specially designed to be energy neutral, these showers don't use any electricity at all, meaning they are perfect to get you through the winter. Being a non-electric shower, our Eco Shower has the added advantage of not only lessening your environmental impact, but also allowing you the freedom to easily install this range using our quick click system without the requirement of an electrician. With second generation leak-free technology, this shower is available in black, monochrome and chrome finishes. With 6 body jets, a baton showerhead and a fantastic monsoon showerhead, you have the choice of how you want to take your perfect shower. Insignia's Eco Shower is a beautiful contemporary shower, including all of Insignia's second generation features whilst saving you money. Enjoy an amazing shower experience time after time with Insignia's Eco Shower.